Tara, mag-pickleball tayo. Alam nyo ba yung pickleball is a combination of table tennis, tennis at badminton? Ang kagandahan sa pickleball kasi is para to sa lahat. So, mapabata man yan, matanda, this is a good sport for you to try. It started in Washington and accordingly, it is the fastest growing sport. Ngayon, nadala ito dito sa Philippines around 2016 to 2017. And 10 years after that, which is today, 2026, ngayon lang talaga siya sumikat dito sa Pilipinas. Ang ibig kong sabihin, makikita mo siya all over the social media. With that, maraming tao ang ginagawa itong business. Nagre-rent sila ng warehouse, naghahanap sila ng warehouse, nagpapagawa ng warehouse para i-convert ito into pickleball courts. So ngayon dito sa Pilipinas sa 2026, it is a growing sport at malaki ang opportunity dito for business. Pero paano nga ba kumita dito sa pickleball na to? First is through daily income, wherein kikita ka per hour sa pagre-rent ng court na yon. So nasa 300 to 600 pesos, depende yon sa court. Then we also have the monthly membership, na kung saan may mga tao na nagbabayad na ng monthly because ginagawa na nila itong routine sa kanilang buhay. Next naman is through tournaments. Malaki-laki din ang kitaan kapag may tournaments. Siyempre, may mga sponsors and a lot more. Next one is through coaching. Marami naman ako nakita na since gumaling na sila sa paglalaro ng pickleball, ang nangyari is ginagawa na nila itong pangkabuhayan na kung saan nagko-coach sila, nagtuturo sila kung paano maglaro ng pickleball. Other ways on how to earn dito sa pickleball is through selling of the products. Of course, you can sell the paddles, you can sell the balls, apparel, mga damit. At ang dami kong nakita na pumupunta sa mga pickleball at sobrang nakaayos na para bang may lakad talaga. 'Di ba? Ang ganda. So, nang dahil diyan, pwedeng-pwede po magbenta ng mga damit for pickleball. Then you can also sell accessories. So, kung makikita mo dito, hindi lang sa court nagtatapos yung negosyo ng pickleball. Pwede mo siya gawing e-commerce na rin. And by the way, speaking of e-commerce, you can join my group dito. So, it's a community that I built wherein pwedeng-pwede po kayo matuto ng e-commerce for free with me. So, I have been serving a lot of e-commerce brands here on TikTok and might as well share my knowledge sa inyo. Baka sakali, pwede po tayong magtulungan. Pero ano nga ba talaga yung totoong business ng pickleball? Pickleball is not just about the sports itself. It's not just about gusto mong magpapayat, gusto mong magpa-healthy. Kasi kung gusto mong magpa-healthy, may gym. Pwede kang bumili ng gym equipments. But the truth is, the real business of pickleball is the community. It's the building of the community. It's about making friends. It's about socializing. It's about making it as part of your lifestyle and nagiging routine mo na ito. So with that, kapag naging routine na to ng isang tao, pabalik-balik na siya ngayon dun sa pickleball court mo, with that, mas malaki yung pwede mong kitain. And aside from that, sa pickleball talaga, it's actually parang an escape from the reality. Sa dami ba naman ng nangyayari sa atin. But here, nakakahanap tayo ng mga kaibigan, nakakahanap tayo ng mga bagong tao na pwede nating maging circle and pwede tayo makapagtayo ng mga iba't ibang negosyo pa. Kaya napakaganda nung nabuo nitong pickleball na to. But of course, aside sa pwedeng kumita dito sa pickleball, there are also things to consider. Ano yon? Rent, maintenance, staff, the marketing, the management, and a lot more. Yung buong operation ng pickleball. Yes, it's a good business, especially if you know how to operate this. But it's a risky business kung sakali tayo ay hindi pa prepared or wala tayong experience sa ganitong kalaking business. So if you wanna try it. Invite mo ko. Tara, magtulungan tayo. Let's build a community. Bye!